How to fix blurry picture in Snapseed. So first, just open up your Snapseed app. And once you're here, just simply select a photo. But if you haven't added any photo right here yet, you just simply need to tap on this plus icon, then select a photo from your gallery. And once you've added it right here, you just simply need to click on it. And this is the photo that I'm going to use. As you can see, the Ferris wheel is like a little blurry, and I want to enhance it. So what you want to do is just simply click on tools or tap on tools here on the bottom right, then tap on details under the adjust and correct. Once you've tapped on it, select structure first and just simply swipe to the right to enhance the structure just like so. So as you can see, it's already becoming more clear, lighter, and more detailed. So maybe I'll set it to maybe like 80. Next is sharpening. So also do the same. I just simply need to edit out it to your liking. So here I'm good with this. And to save the changes, you just simply need to tap on the check icon here on the bottom right, and you are good to go. And this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. That is how you basically unblur on Snapseed.